Ever wished you could grab someone else's amazing project and make it your own? Or just get a copy to play around with? In this video, we'll cover the fundamental steps for safely duplicating repositories on GitHub, enabling you to reuse and modify existing projects. First up, there's cloning. The most common method for setting up a local copy of a repository on your computer for development. Here's how. First, head to the GitHub repository you're interested in. Then, there is a green button labeled code. Click on that button from a drop-down list. Select whether you should clone using HTTPS, SSH, or the GitHub CLI. Next, copy the provided URL. Open your command line interface or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you want to store the project. Now, type in something that starts with git clone followed by a space and then paste the URL you just copied. Hit enter. And there you go, the repository's content is now downloading to your local machine. Next, let's talk about forking, which is all about contributing back to the main project. Forking creates a personal copy of a repository within your GitHub account. From the main repository page, look for the fork button, usually located in the top right corner. Click it, and GitHub will automatically create a fork under your profile. Finally, if you just need a quick download of the files for a project, you can use the download zip option on the main repository page. Click the code button, then select download zip. This will give you a compressed archive containing the entire project, which you can then extract to browse files offline or for quick use. And that's it. Now you have mastered the basic methods to replicate any GitHub repository. Use this new knowledge for personal projects, for learning complex features, or even to make your own changes and contribute back to the open source community.